What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Doing another little update, man. I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video. Your man has been on the move. Your man is sick, you know what I'm saying? Y'all been on my Facebook, y'all know I got hit with the Rona. I'm almost 100%. Voice is starting to come back, so I felt comfortable enough to go ahead and do a video here. This video, shout out to my man Greg Jackson. I know you did text me about, asked me if DS18 had a 3.5-inch speaker. I told you I would get back to you with a photo, then I got sick, so that kind of put me down, man. It was all bad for a little while here, but I'm up and rolling, so figured I might as well go ahead and do a video here. I got the DS18 BD-X43. You see it is a 4-inch three-way speaker. So I think this is probably as close as I'm gonna get personally to being able to show a 3.5-inch. I've been sitting on these for a minute. Y'all know I'm tied in with a DS18 distributor. I think I got these back in, I want to say maybe May or June, something like that. So it's been a minute that I've been sitting on these, man. So finally decided to go ahead and get around to doing a video on these. Highly doubt that I'm going to use them. I don't have anything to put them in. Y'all know this year was Dub Tahoe, and the white Malibu got smashed. That's what brought about Dub Tahoe. So I said Dub Malibu was suspended indefinitely. Truth be told, I got another Malibu, man. I sold the Tahoe maybe about 2 weeks ago, maybe 2.5 weeks ago, something like that. It's been a while. Shit, it might have been 3 weeks ago. It's been a while since I sold that truck, man, but got another Malibu. She is one hell of a project. So I'll probably get around to doing a video on her, just doing a little walk around, showing how rough the car is right now, and obviously y'all see the come up, or I don't know, she'll be revised to reflect the Dub Mally type of project. So as of right now, that is my thought, to go ahead and get that going. I'm kind of torn between keeping this car and just turning it into a straight beater, or getting not a Malibu, but a Monte Carlo. I'll see what happens, man. I don't know. But right now, as I sit here, Dub Mally is back in effect. So like I said, sooner or later, I'll go ahead and do a walk around on that car. So let me get on to this black diamond speaker here. We'll flip this around so y'all can see the specs. Hopefully the sun isn't drowning her out too bad, but you see it's a 4-inch three-way coaxial speaker. Black paper cone with rubber edge, 45 watts RMS, that's per speaker. 135 watts max, I really don't care about that. 1-inch voice coil, so that's good to go there. 29mm dome tweeter, 9mm dome tweeter. So it is, like you said, it is a three-way. Sensitivity on that is 83 dB 4-ohm impedance. Frequency response is 105 to 20 hertz, 20k hertz. Personally, I would never cross this speaker down to 105. I'm the type of dude, I cross over my 6.5s at 200 to 200, 225, 250, just depends on the speaker. Especially when it's like the DS18 EXL, I know that speaker can take some power. So those I usually tend to cross over at about 200 hertz. Some of the Rockvilles too, it just depends on you know, your dB slope and things like that. But let me try to get this speaker out of here. Well, the speaker is out of here. All right. Okay, nice. We'll lay that down. All right, so you got your speaker itself. You got your mounting hardware. You got speaker wire times 2. Hey, you got a nice little DS18 speaker grill right there. So like I said, man, I'm doing this. I got the window open, so hopefully the sunlight's not drowning out the all the products that I'm trying to show off here. But look at that, man. That's a nice little speaker right there, man. Personally, I could dig on this. Like I said, unfortunately for me, I don't have anything that I can use it in. I'm not too sure. I know Chevrolet Blazers, I think those are 4x6s. I want to say Silverados, I think they may have dash location for this type of speaker. Let me see if I can turn this exposure up. There we go. So at least that way y'all can see Black Diamond BD-X43. Like I said, 4-inch three-way speaker. Don't pay attention to that 135 watts, or well, 135 watts, that's max. The RMS on these is 45 watts RMS. So if you're going to use these, make sure you get a, hell, to be honest, you can probably just use it on your deck power, depending on how nice of a deck you got there. There's the other DS18 grill for the speaker. Let's get this one out too, might as well. Alright, so like I said, man, some cute little speakers, man. Got the white stitching in there. It looks like it, I mean, it looked like they could do some work. Like I said, I mean, 45 watts RMS. Depending on the person that you are, you might be able to go ahead and put these on your deck power. Otherwise, maybe a nice little 100 watt amp. Go ahead and get these things up and rolling and go from there. I'll put the grills on top of them. So, like I said, man, these are just some nice little speakers I've been sitting on for a while. And I keep stating I'm tied in with a DS18 distributor. With that being said, anytime I go visit that man's garage, there's a purchase that happens beyond another purchase. I'm just standing around and I go get the rumbling through those boxes like, hey man, what's this? And hey man, what's that? And hey man, what's this? And of course he gets telling me, hey, you know, it's for sale. And I get this looking around and looking at that bank account like, how much? And once he tells me, all right, let me go ahead and take it. And that's what happened with this here. So just grabbed them. Like I said, I don't have anything that I can personally use them on. I'm trying to get that Black Diamond on that. Oh, that magnet is nice. Trying to get that Black Diamond right there, and the magnet got in the way. So yeah, so it's just another one of those random purchases that I mess around and go over to that man's storage area, and next thing I know, I'm buying something more than what I intended to go over there for. So with that being said, y'all know I'm the type of guy I love doing the planning, the research, and the purchasing of the equipment, getting the experience into actually doing these videos with the equipment. Like I said, it's one thing to see a product online, it's a whole nother thing to see it in person. I actually enjoy this process more than demos. That might be crazy, but that's just me. That's who I am. And I actually enjoy doing this more than running around and just playing bass all crazy up and down the street, or like today would probably be a typical Sunday at the lake, things like that, if you're in the Omaha, Nebraska area. So like I said, man, I'm the type of dude, I love staying on the internet, clicking on DS18, clicking on Down for Sound, clicking on GP Car Audio, just going through, or Sky High, going through all these websites and doing research and looking at PRV. I know I did say I was looking to switch to PRV this year. I got a demo from a guy here in South Omaha that had the exact same PRV speakers that I was planning on going with. And he was like, dude, trust me, don't do it. He was like, man, if you got DS18 EXLs, stick with the EXL. So I was like, I don't know, man. I just want to try something else out. I kept ordering PRV speakers from Big Jeff online. If y'all been on the channel for a minute, y'all know they kept coming busted up. So that kind of was a deal breaker for me there. But I was just going to go ahead and try to order from PRV.com directly and see what would happen. But yeah, after getting a demo from that guy, man, I decided, yeah, we're going to go ahead and stick with DS18. Hey, at the end of the day, DS18 must be doing something right. They got so many haters on Facebook and Doors for Days and all these other groups right now. Like, it's just totally unnecessary. People dragging it out, man. So yeah, long story short, I'm gonna go ahead and stick with DS18 this year. There will be some more unboxing videos coming up. Y'all know how, like I said, I actually enjoy doing the projects more, as far as doing the research and unboxing, getting all my equipment together, more than actually like demoing. So stay tuned, a lot more to come. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all know the deal, man. We back on these tables. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll try to get back to everybody, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all enjoy your Sunday. I'm out of here.